everybody wants to look out for somebody to blame. And the easiest organization people have always found to blame has always been police. We have been blamed for almost everything. We tell people, get a fire extinguisher. He doesn't. We tell people, cover your manholes. Children are very playful. A child is going to fall into a manhole, we shall come and apprehend that headmaster or the school administrator. We have advised people on almost everything humanly possible, but they don't listen to us. They only wait for these occasions and then heap blames on us as police. We have people who give us bogus calls. Actually, in our police language, we call them kalori. Somebody calls claiming that there is a fire here, there is a this there, whereas the incident is not there. Now, that one is not only reckless, but it is criminal in nature. Should we get you, don't regret our actions. We shall really handle you the way the law dictates. They get challenges of people who do not respect fire trucks. We come with our silence, we reflect to you that there is an emergency, but we usually have these stubborn motorists who not only block our fire trucks, but even keep the wrong way. And by the way, we have warned you, we shall really be rough on you. We urge the public, especially victims and those with relevant information to this matter, to come forward. We also encourage those with similar experiences. We have warned that what is suspected to have been done by Don Nasa is being done around, especially in the suburbs of Kampala City and Wakiso. Please, if you are a victim of similar circumstances, or if in your neighborhood similar activities are going on, please reach out to police.